In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stream movies on OBS Studio without lagging and without black screen problem. So first of all, go to your OBS Studio and go to settings. In settings, select video and video base canvas resolution. Select here 920 by 1080 and output scale resolution, select 920 by 1080. And common FPS, to get a smooth stream, select 60 FPS. And now click on apply and OK. Now let's create a new scene. I'm typing here movie stream, and then under the scene we have to add our source. So click on this plus icon to create a new source. And as you can see, watching a movie on my computer browser. So here clicking on this plus icon and selecting here window capture and clicking on this window drop down and selecting the window. I'm selecting this window. So in this window I'm watching my movie and clicking on OK. And as you can see, the movie successfully added on my OBS Studio. Now you can just go ahead and record your movie from here. Also, you can start to stream your movie from here. Thanks for watching.